and then slowly and carefully lay the screen protector layer down. Iron out the creases like so. After that, it'll be as if the whole universe finally aligns perfectly for the first time in your life. Hi everyone, I'm making this video after my first blunder at applying the screen protector, so hopefully this helps someone who's in the same situation as me. I'm not sure about anyone else's, but the instructions that came with mine were very confusing and hard to understand, so I'm going to be ignoring them, as everyone else should as well. Okay, the first thing we're going to be doing is taking everything out of the package and seeing what we're working with. First, the screen protector itself, and then the package with the accessories we will use to install the screen protector on the tablet. Don't worry if you don't know what all the accessories are for yet. The first thing you need to do is familiarize yourself with the front and the back of the screen protector. Make sure the front is facing you and the back is facing towards the tablet screen. The first thing I'll do is remove the screen protector from my last botched attempt. You can obviously skip this part as it doesn't apply to you. Now we can do some light cleaning with the provided cloth. I like to use the Mr. Miyagi's wax on wax off from the Karate Kid. You may choose to use your own technique which fits you best. There is no right or wrong answer, Daniel-san. Once it is sufficiently clean, I will now use the dust cleaner to remove any excess dust that may have remained. Now we can use the dry wipe that came included to give it one last wipe down before we apply the screen protector. And then did that thing one more time. Once you have cleaned the screen, and you're now happy with the result, we can now apply the screen protector itself. We will do this by aligning the screen protector with the tablet screen. Again, making sure the screen protector is faced the right way up. This means the back is facing the tablet screen, the front is facing towards you. Now we will use the supplied guide sticker to hold the screen protector in place. One by one, we'll apply each of them to the bottom corner. This will help keep the screen protector in place and stop it from moving while we're trying to apply the screen protector. Once I have all the guide stickers in place, I will now use the cloth,
that special cloth alert,
to give it one last wipe down. Now comes the tricky part. This is what separates the boys from the men. Using the tab, separate the back layer from the front layer using your fingers, being very careful at the same time. Now continue slowly peeling away the back layer. Keep doing this until you have fully separated the back layer from the front layer. Gently lower the screen protector down onto the tablet screen, slowly guiding it in place. This will take some precision. After I secure the screen protector in place, we will now attempt to remove the bubbles that was formed while placing the screen protector. You do this by pushing the air bubbles out to the edges. You can use a card to do this. I'm using the card that came supplied with the package itself. Now that most of the bubbles are gone, I will now remove the guide stickers that were holding the screen protector in place. Here I made the mistake of pulling the sticker away from the screen. This time I make sure to remove the sticker from the front and then take off the last remaining sticker, and we are almost done. We just need to iron out a few more kinks. The last thing we need to do now is to remove the front layer. This acts to seal the screen protector in place, as well as remove the smudges, fingerprints during the installation process. Now this will be your final outcome. Hopefully this video helps someone. If it did, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm, and thank you for watching.